What's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook August 2022. I'm just going to say it works in September too because August is basically over. My old tutorial is no longer working because they don't accept proxies, so you have to do this new method. And I'm sorry if I sound sick throughout this video, it's because I am, so you don't have to worry about anything. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can hit 60,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link never leaves the description below. You know what else is in the description below? My Discord server, so make sure to join. You can chat with me and the other members, contribute to YouTube videos, and so much more. Anyways guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Also, big thank you to our Discord boosters. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, what you need to do is go to this link, which will be linked in the description below. Roblox on your school Chromebook has not been working a lot recently because they updated their stuff, and I just want to show you a new method. I'm currently on my Windows computer to demonstrate. It works on Windows computers, Chromebooks, MacBooks, it works on everything. So basically when you go to this link, it will make you watch a couple ads and then you'll be able to play the game. So we're just gonna wait. In the top right it says launching game in 10, 9, 8, and then you just wait for that to finish and we'll be able to continue. After that, it'll bring you to the screen reader where you can sign up or log into your Roblox account. What you want to do is sign up if you don't have one already, or log in. This method is very similar to the one earlier this year or last year. They don't allow proxies anymore, so you have to use their special link right here to access it. So I'm going to log into my account, enter in my username and password. Now you just have to do a little verification to make sure you're not a robot. Pick the glasses again, and we're verified. Now they're going to send me a code in my email as a two-step verification. Verify. Now we're logged onto our Roblox account, and we're able to play on our school Chromebook. I'm just going to scroll down here and play Rate My Avatar. Oops, didn't mean to open that. I'm going to play Rate My Avatar and just show you how to use it. It says hold right click to rotate the camera, and you can just use the left click and interact with the game. Of course, you can use WASD to control everything. Then you hold right click and you're able to view everything. Just hold right click to look around like that, let go, and then you have your mouse if you want to click on anything, and that's basically how you do it. You get a decent amount of FPS. I'm pretty sure you get 30 to 60 FPS, and it's pretty great. So yeah guys, this is how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook / computer, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below, I subscribe, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.